Organizational theories and the educational organization. What do we understand by organizational theories? Organization. An organization is a group of people who come together for some reason and for some common purpose, who communicated with each other and carry both individual and joint activities. Organizational theories. There are different ways to approach this study of educational organizations that explain their work to produce their understanding and appropriating. This will depend of the perspective that modern branding has who else in it. Organizational theory and the educational organization. The industrial model of the organization does two things very well, is explaining the different type of legitimacy an organization can attain and it explains why organizations can be so similar. Institutions consist of cognitive, normative, and regulatory structures and activities that prove stability and meaning to social behavior. The institution model, which tracks the appearance of different forms, progress, strategies, perspectives, and complements as they emerge from the patterns of international organizational adaptation. Population ecology. Population ecology is thing that the environment determines the change or success or failure for organizations to determine in the three seat demographic progress, which included age dependence, ecological progress, which included night with dynamics, environment progress, which include institutional factors, organizational, ecological, and educational environment. Some universities could say all don't accept a change in the both education and new methods of innovated and are always based on an old methodology in all aspects, but nevertheless there are some schools also have to the capacity to deal with new environments. A new model for classroom structures. Organizational structure. The school have an organizational and established structure. The organization coordinates its activity and careers. All the necessary takes to achieve the purpose it has set where each individual establish the purpose objects and where the relationships between them are established. Structural contingency theory. Structural contingency theory holds that there is no single effective structure for all organizations. insisted organizations must adapt their structures to fit the contributions factors on the environment as they affect their organization. The classroom is contingencies. The instructor faces contingencies every time they plan occurs. These contingencies include the learned objects, the contingent dominants they hope to obtain, the technology they will use, the assistant techniques. Finally, they must determine which classroom structure will fit with these considerations. Teacher must prepare the material each time they start learning shared who learning objects. Cognitive dominants that want to achieve technology they will use. Evaluation technologies. The classroom is structured. There are many factors that influence student learning. One of them is the classroom. In order for the student to develop skills, attitude, the cognitive, collective, and achieve the experience learning. It is necessary that their classroom structure is adequate to provide the necessary servers and have to the ideal equipment for the student to feel an environment of the comfortable learning. Table 1 out of classroom structures. The traditional structure is this model. The teacher is the sole source of knowledge and use lectures, handouts, and not too important this knowledge on the students. Learned tests are usually the mothers of the assessment. Table 2 Traditional classroom structure. Their star structure. This structure is based that everyone relies on everyone else for connect. The term, however, is still present in order to give the students ensure and start set of skills. Table 3 Start classroom structure. This explain structure implies that students, teachers learn real feel, experience and observation. Together first-hand experience with the others subject matters. Students are experienced to attain the cognitive level of the comprehension. Table 4 The classroom and structure contradiction theories. The fourth classroom structure can be called the fat structure, based in Michigan birds. Differentiated for because of the focus on experiential and automatism. The student is solely responsible for her learning through independent research. Examples. There are several organizational models as the political models characterized by decision-making is the conserved as a progress of negotiation of the interest occurs. Bureaucrats is the most effective from the organization established from the structure of hierarchical authority channels of the common division of the labor and responsibilities. System models that emphasize unity and integrative in the organization, implementations, interpretations among its components. Democratic is characterized by defining the power and decision making of the members of the organization, determining their politics through progress given by him.